Swift challenges. Okay, let's think of some challenges. How would you make a... Now, let's do challenges based around comments. So how would you make a one-line comment? There's your first challenge. And if you know that, let's do that with this here. Now, this, you just press double backslash. It's the one just to the left of the shift key. And if you want a quicker way, press Command and that key, and it'll make it appear and disappear. So that's a single-lined comment. All right, now, next challenge is make a multi-line comment. How do we do this? So it's that backslash key again. Remember, pause if you want to try and figure it out yourself. Look it up online. All right, and we're using asterisk. And then inside then you put another asterisk and then another backslash, and then inside here we can do a multi-line comment. All right, we can keep on going down, and there we go. That's a multi-line comment, and you can alter the code, the text inside this comment as much as you want. All right, cool. So they're multi-line comments, and what other ones are there? Let's see. That's about it, really. Don't worry about that. That's nothing. All right, that was a short tutorial about comments. Good luck with that one. And yes, remember, comment your code. That's why we use comments. We want them so that we can figure out what we did 3 years ago. So, you might have a function that, this tells me to add 2 numbers. All right, for example, sometimes it's good to start your code like this, and then you create your function based around that. It gives you a goal, adding 2 numbers, add these, and then I'm going to put number 1. All right, see if you can do that too. Make this little function, number 2, and there we go. We add them. So number 1 plus number 2, and that'll give us our result. Spell it properly, print it. All right, you can do a simple print like that or make it more complex. All right, now we can use that. Now here's something you probably don't know is you can actually make a comment that tells us about the function. And what you do is you do the backslash and double asterisk, then another asterisk, and then in here, this adds 2 numbers. Okay, so we do that. All right, so there's our comment about this function. Now, when I use this function, add these 3 and, whoops, press tab, 6. So press tab to get quickly through those 2. Now watch this. If I hover over add these and hold down on the Alt key and press it, in here it gives us a summary of this function. This adds 2 numbers, and there we are. And it's got the parameters of the function. There's no description, but you can put descriptions to those parameters in there. All right, so that's a little bit extra. That's kind of cool. So you can, go through your code and give it custom summaries so you know what it's doing. You shouldn't have to do that if you've named it well, but it also is good for a backup. Thanks again. See you later.